In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A22, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select General Management, and now go to language so you can find it at the top of the list. And now smoothly by tapping on Add Language, you can enter the whole list of languages. So as you can see, the list is pretty long and you will definitely find something suitable. And let me change it, for example, to Spanish. Then select the region and decide if you would like to make it a default one. So just click on Set as Default. And as you can see, from now on, the whole device is in Spanish, so you can smoothly use it in this brand new language, whichever you only picked. And whenever you would like to change it again, just mark it and edit. And by tapping on Edit, and if you'd like to remove this language permanently, just mark it and then select Delete. Confirm that you would like to do it, and afterwards you can smoothly pick another language that you would like to apply by tapping on other language and just recreate the same action that you did previously. And this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.